Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the delicious side of healthy living. You know those special foods that just make your day a little brighter, a little more comforting? Those dishes that bring back memories and warm your soul? Maybe it's creamy pasta, that rich and decadent indulgence we all crave from time to time, gooey brownies, warm from the oven, chocolatey goodness in every bite, or that cheesy pizza you can't resist, with its perfectly melted cheese and endless topping possibilities. What if I told you you don't have to give up your favorites, those culinary joys, to eat healthy and nourish your body? Today, I'm sharing how to make your beloved special foods healthier, transforming them into nutritious and guilt-free pleasures without losing that flavor you crave, that comforting taste that makes these foods so special. We're talking about smart swaps and simple adjustments that make a world of difference. First up, swaps. Let's dive into some easy ingredient substitutions that will revolutionize your favorite recipes. Instead of regular white pasta, which can be low in fiber and nutrients, try whole grain, a fantastic alternative packed with goodness. Or lentil pasta, a protein powerhouse. It's got more fiber and protein, essential for a balanced diet, making you feel fuller for longer, curbing those cravings and keeping you satisfied. For creamy sauces, those luscious additions that make pasta dishes so irresistible, blend steamed cauliflower, a surprisingly versatile ingredient, or soaked cashews with a splash of plant milk, creating a decadent vegan cream. Trust me, it's silky smooth and packed with nutrients, a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional cream sauces. Let's talk about cheese. The glorious cheesy goodness that we all adore. I get it, cheese is life. It adds flavor, texture, and that undeniable satisfaction to so many dishes. But too much can tip the scales, impacting your health goals. Try using strong flavored cheese like Parmesan. A little goes a long way. So you need less for that same punch, that intense cheesy flavor. Or sprinkle on nutritional yeast, a secret weapon for vegan cooking, for a cheesy B vitamin boost, adding a savory depth to your dishes. Brownie lovers, you're next. Get ready for some game-changing brownie hacks. Swap out some butter, a common ingredient in brownies, for mashed avocado, a healthy fat that adds moisture and richness. Or applesauce, a natural sweetener and binder. They give you the same rich texture, that fudgy, decadent feel, but with way less saturated fat, making your brownies a little bit healthier. Cut back the sugar just a bit. You won't even notice the difference. And add a handful of walnuts for some crunch and healthy fats, boosting the nutritional value of your treat. Craving fried foods? That satisfying crunch and savory flavor can be hard to resist. Air fryers to the rescue, a game changer for healthier frying. You can get that crispy goodness, that perfect golden brown texture, with barely any oil, significantly reducing the fat content. Or oven bake your favorites, another great way to achieve a similar result, with a light drizzle of olive oil adding healthy fats and flavor, and a crunchy coating of whole wheat breadcrumbs adding fiber and texture. And pizza, how could I forget? The ultimate comfort food. Go for a whole wheat, a more nutritious base for your pizza masterpiece, or cauliflower crust, a low-carb and veggie-packed option. Load it up with veggies like mushrooms, adding earthy flavor and nutrients, peppers, for a burst of color and vitamins, and spinach, a leafy green powerhouse. Use part skim mozzarella, reducing the fat content without sacrificing cheesy goodness. And finish with a sprinkle of fresh basil for extra flavor, adding a touch of freshness and aroma. Here's my rule: upgrade, don't overhaul. Focus on making small, sustainable changes. Small tweaks add up, creating a significant impact on your overall health, and you'll be surprised how much you still enjoy your favorite dishes, perhaps even more so knowing you're nourishing your body. Eating healthy isn't about missing out. It's not about deprivation or restriction. It's about making every bite count, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. So the next time you're craving something special, that comfort food that calls your name, remember these easy swaps, these simple yet effective ways to make your favorites healthier. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. It's a win-win situation. If you loved these tips, hit subscribe for more healthy hacks and delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!